Akaruuru ko kuronda ba MP abarakicyera Uganda mu Paramenti y'amahanga ga East Africa kuri kubura y'ibiro bice byonka erizuba ekibina cha NRM cyashita musoro ciko urwo kubasa kureba okubara hajiremu abantu babo mukaga okubasa kubana bo baza kukicyera Uganda ahabwo kugira ngo batwirene bakuratere ngenderwa hoze kibina.
And following the roadmap issued by the clerk to Parliament on the elections of the members to the East African Legislative Assembly, the nominations are scheduled for Monday 19th September 2022 and Tuesday 20th September 2022. The 6 NRM candidates will be nominated on Tuesday 20th September 2022 at 10 o'clock.
Ensonga ya ebifo ebisatu ebisigadde omukulembeze yatugaidinze inga mukama wange government chief whip wakyogedde nti ebifo bino ebisatu waliwo ebibiina ebirungi nga bikolaganika nabyo. So nagamba nti fenge ekibiina tutwagala kweyingiza mu ebyo Parliament tuddeyo abo tubasortingire nebya independent nagamba bona beesimbyewo nga ba independent bona baffe abasinga bapate muddeyo naye munoonyemu omulungi wayinza okubeerawo omulungi nate waliwo omulungi asingako munne.
That the incumbent East African Legislative Assembly members be maintained in recognition of their exceptional performance to continue their tenure for another term as members of the East African Legislative Assembly.
Omukulembeze wa ggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, His Excellency, kyatugambye nti emu ku nsonga ziri bbiri zibavawo kuyimirirawo okola abantu abaka bano baddeyo mu kisanja kyokubiri nga tebavuganyiziddwa. Emu ku nsonga nti abaka bano bagenda mu Parliament gyobadde nange nga ndi mujulizi kubanga mbadde mu Parliament ewedde nti babadde bakolera wamu. Ekyo kituufu babadde batuswazizza kubanga ebiseera ebisinga abaka bagenda abantu basikagana naye abaffe tebatuswazizza.
Ababarondwe kibiina cha NRM kuzo mu Paramenti egi harimo More Mujenyi, Honorable Kakoza James, Honorable Dennis Namara, Honorable Rose Akol, Stephen George Odongo hamwe na Paulo Musamari Mwasa kandi abantu bashatu nibija kurondwa ku rugomo vina ebindi by'orubaju orukakanisa government na nondijo otagira kibiina kandi Akaruraka nikija kuterwa abanyishenjero bonka. Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.